Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Friday Night Funkin' version of Kuromi. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the head. We'll start with the curve over and down on the right side. Now on the left side, let's leave a gap and draw a curve down and in. And now let's connect the two sides. Now let's move in and draw the top of her hat. Inside on the left, let's draw a curve down. And the same thing on the right side. And then an angled line in. And a longer diagonal to close it off. Next, above the point, let's add another small diagonal here. Next, let's move in and draw the face. Under the left side, let's draw a thick line down, and then angle it out and to the left. And now let's thicken up the line slightly at the end, like this. And now above it, let's draw a curved V shape. Now let's draw the eyeball underneath. Let's start on the left, and we're going to draw a rounded rectangle shape down like this. And then color it in black. And lastly, for this eye, let's draw a small curved line on the bottom right. Now let's hop over and draw the other eye. Let's start from the bottom point and let's draw the eye with a rounded rectangle shape down like this. And then pointed V to close off the side. And now let's color it in black. Next, let's add the nose underneath with an oval shape. And then hop down on the bottom left to draw the mouth with a small black triangle. And lastly, for the face, let's add some crisscross lines in between the eyes. Okay, now let's hop to the top and add the ears. Let's draw a curve up on the left here like this. Then from the top, let's draw a diagonal up and out. Then add a circle at the end. And now let's finish off the bottom of the ear with a line down and back into the head. Now let's move to the right and draw the other ear. Let's draw a line up and then curve it over like this. And the same thing for the other side. And lastly, a circle to close off the end. Lastly, for the head, let's add the skull on the forehead. Let's start with an angled curve. Then 3 teeth at the bottom. And then oval for the eye socket. And then a smaller one on the right. And that's it for the head. Let's move down and draw the body next. Let's start by drawing the neck collar. Underneath the head on the left, let's draw a diagonal line down. And then curve it over to the right. Next, a V shape. Another V shape angled out to the right. And then a small one to close it off. Now let's add small ovals at the end of each point. Now let's move down and draw the body starting with the left arm. Underneath the left side of the collar, let's draw 2 short lines down. And then a curve up and back around for the hand. Now underneath this hand, let's add the leg. Let's start with a line down and then a curve at the bottom. Now let's hop over to the middle and we're going to draw a curve here and then an angle down. And then let's finish off the foot like this. Now let's draw the right side of the body with a curve down here. And now let's curve it down for the leg. Out and back in for the foot, and then an angle to close it off. Next, move over on the right side and let's add the other arm. Let's draw a curve on the right side of the body, and then one smaller curve underneath. And lastly, let's add the tail on the left. Let's start with 2 curves out like this. And then finish off the end with a pointed arrow shape. And that's it for Kuromi. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!